When it's cold out, the only thing better than a warm mug of hot chocolate is this Superfood one, which is made with real cacao and without any added sugar, dairy, or artificial flavorings. You'll definitely want to bookmark this treat for a truly healthy holiday. We'll create our hot chocolate mixture first in the blender, combining some water, along with some coconut water, and some roasted almond butter for creaminess. To sweeten, we like to use a Monkfruit 1-to-1 sweetener, which has no sugar. And then add in our cacao powder, which is potent in minerals and antioxidants. And we'll blend this all together until creamy. Now we can add this blend to a saucepan and gently warm it over low heat. We'll pour this hot chocolate into mugs and enjoy. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. And if you love this video, give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.